Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. And also I provide job notification as well as scholarship details, interview tips, daily career notification, career guidance related tips. So if you have not subscribed our channel, if you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe our channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel. And one thing I must say, we are preparing these videos for only for you guys, only for my subscribers, only for my viewers and friends. So I think you will keep my motivation in the high level by subscribing our channel. So that will be great. If you have come in our channel and watching this video, then please subscribe our channel. So today's job notification has come from L&T. We all have a knowledge about Larsen and Toubro company. So this time they are giving one scholarship program 2021. The program name is L&T Build India Scholarship 2021. They are hiring freshers by this scholarship program. BTech can apply for this job across India. It will happen. Okay. So company name is L&T Construction. Job profile name will be engineer. Degree required is BTech. Working location will be across India. What is the main highlights of this scholarship program? I will discuss in detail. It is 2 years full-time MTech degree in construction technology and management, 24 months sponsored course at IIT Madras or IIT Delhi or NIT Surathkal or NIT Trichy. So course fee borne entirely by L&T. Stipend is paid during this program. So as well as you are getting chance for doing your higher studies in MTech course from the topmost IITs in India, and also you will be paid for this particular time. You will be paid stipend. Okay. You will get live projects at L&T project sites during course of the program, guided by buddies and mentored by BIS alumni during this program. Placement on successful completion of the course. So you will be an intern in this company when you will do this particular higher studies MTech from those IITs. The selection procedure is mentioned here that online written test will be taken based on your subject and aptitude, followed by a personal interview round conducted by a panel from IIT and L&T. The final selection is subject to one's medical fitness. Okay. The eligibility criteria mainly final year BTech eligible and degree must be in civil or electrical engineering, 70% and above marks in BTech till 6th semester. Okay, with a flair of building landmarks. Selection process for the BIS XX IV batch has started. Register your candidature through online using the link given below. I will provide the link in my description box. So I'm reminding you with the latest details for this particular scholarship program. Last date for this online application is 15th March 2021. Online written test will happen between April 2021 to June 2021, and lots of candidates will apply for this job, so or apply for this scholarship. So test will happen in phase wise manner. Okay, then interview will be happening in June 2021, within June and July 2021. Final result you will get mid of July, and joining is mid of August, that is 2021 August. So if you're really interested, you have to apply this link on or before 15th March, because that is the last date. So you need to click on apply link. I will give this link in my description box. So you need to sign in there. Okay, so this is the scholarship program page. All the details are mentioned here also. So what you can do, just click on join us now. Then you once again go through the notification from here, because it is the BIS 2021, that is the scholarship program name. So at first you need to go to this lntech.com website, and then career page, then BIS link, and click apply. Okay, so I will give this link. So in this page you can see that one is login ID form, and another one is click here to apply. So we will click on click here to apply. So the form is now loading. So if you have already created your account, then you can directly go through with this. Okay, so must note from this thing is you must apply through Internet Explorer or Mozilla or Google Chrome. So just go through the instruction once again, like you have to fill all the details. After successful registration, you will receive username, password with your registered mobile number and email ID. No changes will be entertained after the form submission. So also please take a printout of the application summary. Okay, so this is the application form. Applicant full name, father's name, gender, date of birth, mobile number, then your alternative email address, if you are a already working candidate in L&T or not. Then I agree by putting this QR code here. Then you have to submit. After successful registration, you need to apply for this Build India Scholarship X6IV batch. So it is a great opportunity to all of you. Stipend will be quite good, minimum 15 to 20k per month, as well as you are getting a chance to do your MTech in construction and in civil or electrical engineering batches are eligible. So hurry up guys, I will give this link in my description box. If you faced any challenge, any doubt, then share your doubts in my comment section. Once again I am mentioning last date is 15th March. Please apply before that. So also don't forget to subscribe our channel to get this daily job notification, career guidance from our channel. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care guys.